Hey guys, so I know it's been a minute, but I decided to do a little video to show you guys my birthday prep. It is exactly 1 week until my birthday, so I thought I'd document, your girl is preparing for her birthday and it's been a great year, so I just really want to make this one a birthday that I'll remember. So I did a few things to prep. Don't mind me, I look a little rough because I just got out of work. I am, this is the day's face. So I got a couple of things I'm gonna show you guys, and just kind of stay tuned. I'm gonna kind of show you the week leading up to my birthday and how I prep for it. Still haven't gotten my nails done, so excuse those, but I will be getting them done soon. So first, I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got from Sephora. These were 2 different Sephora trips. I know, it's a problem. So I had heard really good things about the one size Ultimate Setting Powder in translucent. So I'm really excited to use this. And I used my points to get this free gift. It's the NARS Light Reflecting Setting Powder. I can't even open it. I don't know, it's like a little white powder or whatever. And then in the other bag, I actually got this yesterday, I got the Saint Tropez self tanning mousse. I had heard really good things about this. This is the classic. They also have a dark, but I'm not trying to be that dark. I just want to be glowing for my birthday. So yeah, I got the self-tanning mousse, and then I also got the Saint Tropez mitt to, do my body. Your girl had to get her birthday gift, so I got my little birthday gift from Sephora. Oh, it even says happy birthday. It was they only had the NARS birthday gift. My Sephora was like, we don't have anything else. Not that I mind, but I usually like the little skincare birthday gifts and stuff. So it is NARS Laguna. It comes with like a little bronzer and a NARS lipstick. I'll show you guys the dresses. The first one is this kind of long dress. It's pretty long and it's like completely ruched. It's really cute. It has like the nice squared neckline, and then the sleeves are ruched too, but they're like mesh, like see-through. And then the other one is like a burnt orange with like shimmery, like little glitter in the fabric, and the same kind of like squared neckline, mesh, like ruched sleeves and ruched body. But this one's a mini dress. This one's short. So I don't know if I want to do like the long dress or the short dress, because both were very cute, but I feel like the long dress is a little more like elegant but sexy. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. And then the shoes are like super duper cute. They are nude, very, very comfortable. Like, I love Shein so much. I get my heels from there all the time, and they're very comfortable and pretty true to size. Like a pretty decent chunky heel. And I love like the chain detail because I knew I wanted to do gold jewelry, so that's kind of what drew me to this. And I got myself some sunglasses because I was trying to be very that girl the moment, and these were just like I look like that girl, And then some jewelry that I got. I haven't even opened these, and don't come for me, they're little cheap things. They were like $1.50 or something like that. It's just for my birthday, just to be cute. They're cheap, I get it, but it's just for my birthday. So I really like this one. It's kind of like a little chain. They're adjustable too, so like I said, very cheap. And this one too is adjustable, but it's really cool like detail to it. So like I said, I'm going for the gold. I got some bracelets and some ankle bracelets. So this bracelet is like really dainty and pretty. This one is almost just like a little simple tennis bracelet. And then, it came with another tennis bracelet. And then this kind of like Cuban link bracelet with like little fake diamonds. And then another Cuban link type of bracelet, but just gold. And then the ankle bracelets that I got It was this one. It's a little Cuban link ankle bracelet. And this one I loved. It's so cute. So I don't know which one I'll do on my ankle, or even if I will, because the shoes have the chains and I don't want to be too gaudy, you know. So that's my little birthday haul. Hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the prep. What's up, guys? So just wanted to give you guys an update on the birthday prep. I've been working a lot, so I really didn't do much prep work. So it looks like I'm probably just gonna be doing everything at the last minute. I did finally get my nails done. So these are the birthday set, very cute. I wanted to do like a cute French tip, so I just did like a pointed French tip, and I don't really do too long. This is kind of long, but because it's my birthday, so I did that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I've been really good about my skincare routine this week for the same reason, because I'm trying to like make sure my skin is in the best shape possible. I've also been doing really good on my drinking water and my diet, because all that stuff manifests onto your skin. So I'll be showing you guys more of my birthday prep next. Here I'm just applying my self tanner. It was really easy to apply this product using the mitt. It went on so smoothly and didn't leave any streaks, so I highly recommend the mitt. I've also heard that using rubber gloves works really well too, because it doesn't absorb the product the way the mitt might, but I personally like the mitt and the smell is pretty good. I was pleasantly surprised it didn't have that self tanner yucky smell. So I just finished my tanning Saint Tropez tanning mousse. I needed help. My boyfriend had to do my back because I couldn't reach. This is what it looks like now. It will develop in a few hours. It said like 4 to 6 hours, so it'll probably get darker, which I love the way this looks already. I feel really bronzy. Right now I have makeup on, so I don't have anything on my face, but I did everything, the neck, everything, so I'm gonna let this develop. Oh, I did shower before I did this, just for my body. I shaved everything and then I exfoliated with a scrub. So my skin is like super nice and smooth. So it makes for a better application of the tanner. I used my mitt, that's what it looks like now. But I feel like the mitt really helped because it went on so smooth and I'm not streaky or anything. So I can't wait to see how my tan develops. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm just really excited. I don't really have anything else prepped. I may dye my hair, but I may not because it's not that serious. But that's kind of my plan, is to do that. And then in a few hours it said to rinse everything off, so I'll probably hop in the shower again just to rinse. But yeah, I didn't do my hands because I don't like my hands to be tan, but I did. So my hands are still the same color. Hopefully it's not too like weird, but with the mitt I feel like it blended in really nice. So I'm gonna see how it develops in a couple hours. If not, I may reapply again just to get it to the color that I want. But I honestly just really wanted a nice subtle glow, and I actually really like the color that it is now. I'm getting really excited for my birthday, all my birthday prep, getting myself kind of glammed up and taking this extra care of myself just feels really nice. Also just really bringing up my confidence because I feel physically very good about myself. So yep, this is it for today's birthday prep. I will see you guys later so you guys can see more. So here I'm just doing a quick face mask, and I did end up dyeing my hair black, so that's why I look this way. And then I washed it out and blow dried my hair, and it was exactly the color I wanted. Hey guys, it's my birthday. This is this morning's birthday look. I am in my driveway right now, just waiting for my car to heat up. But I'm on my way to go get breakfast with my best friend. I just did like a quick little look I am saving the glam for later. So today I just kind of did like a simple, like, you know, skin moment. I did do my eyebrows, some mascara, and a tinted lip oil. I am wearing, it's like a thermal. I love this kind of like brown mustard kind of color, like tan. And it's like cropped. And then I'm wearing high-waisted, like acid wash jeans. So just, you know, cute casual. Some like simple earrings. I have, some rings. And this is, my new sunglasses from Shein. So this is the birthday breakfast look. And all right, so I'm on my way to breakfast now. Bye, I'll see you guys later. Didn't record my birthday breakfast, but here's a cute little boomerang my friend took of me. And here I am starting my hair. So I curled my natural hair, and then I also curled my extensions using my flat iron. I love this method. And here I'm just removing my morning makeup in preparation of my glam. So here's a quick shot of me attempting my wing. And then here is the final product after I put my extensions in. I really love this length and just the look of the curls. So I was very, very happy with how my hair came out. And my hair color matched the extension color really well. Here I added my lipstick finally, and I'm putting on some Moroccan oil because it makes my hair nice and shiny and healthy looking. So here I'm just adding that to my natural hair as well as the extensions, and it's giving me that shine. And here I'm just adding my perfume. I love this scent, so it made me feel really pretty and I smelled amazing. And here I'm just showing you my jewelry. I ended up going with just one bracelet, these chain earrings, and my rings. And then here is the final look. I felt so pretty. This is a head to toe of my outfit and my shoes, and I felt so beautiful. And here I am, a shot of my beautiful city on my way to my birthday dinner. Love my city, it's so beautiful. And here is a quick shot of my boyfriend. We're at the restaurant. It's called Maple and Ash, and the food was amazing. We had a really good time. I got the surf and turf, lobster and filet mignon. Because I have weight loss surgery, I really didn't eat it all, but it was still a good time. Here is my birthday cake. It was a red velvet cake and it was so delicious. Again, couldn't eat it all. Here is the cute little menu that the restaurant gifted me for my birthday, and here's a shot of me outside the restaurant. I had such a good time. Thank you guys for joining me on my birthday prep video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for joining me on my birthday.